Hello everyone, welcome back to HadiTech web tutorials. My name is Ibrahim Hadi, and in this video we are going to start learning HTML basics step by step. If you are new to web design, don't worry at all. This video is for absolute beginners. In today's video, I will teach you three important HTML topics, which are HTML headings, HTML paragraphs, and HTML links. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's get started. What is HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. That is the full meaning of HTML. HTML is used to structure content on web page. So everything you see on a website, text, images, links, all start with HTML. And mind you, HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. So a markup language is a system for annotating text with tags to define its structure, formatting, or relationship, enabling computers to interpret and display content. That is a markup language. So you should know that HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language which a browser understands to structure content. So let's get started with writing codes. But before then, let me introduce you to some text editors we are going to use. So we have Visual Code, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Notepad++, Atom, Bracket, Adobe Dreamweaver. There are lots of text editors which you can use to write your HTML code. But for us now, and in this tutorial, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. Alright, before opening our text editor, we're going to get a folder. We'll create a new folder where we'll save our work. So let's name the folder to HadiTech tutorial, or let's just name it tutorials. Good. So inside this folder now, we'll save all our tutorial works. Then we'll open our Visual Studio Code. Now inside this Visual Studio Code, this is our environment, where our text editor, where we are going to write all our codes. So now is open, click on File, New File, or use the shortcut key Control N, sorry, and it will open a new file. So let's write something. Doc type HTML. HTML. So as you can see, the advantage of this Visual Code Studio is it predicts, you understand? Sorry, it auto completes. It auto completes what you are writing. So this is the HTML open and close tag. Then we'll have our head, that's it opens and closes it. Then we'll have our title, opens and closes it. It predicts, and so in between this our title, let's get my first website. My first website. So now if you look carefully, every tag has its opening and closing tags. From the HTML to the head to the title, all have their opening and closing tags. So now in between the head, we have the title. So the head contains information about the page, all information about the page. It's inside the head, while the body contains everything that will show on the browser. Everything that will show on the browser. So we'll open our body. So now everything inside the browser will be between the opening tag of the body and the closing tag of the body. So let's get a clean code. So now our first topic, which is this HTML headings. HTML headings are used for title and subtitles, and HTML has 6 heading tags, which we start from the H1 to H6, from bigger to smaller. Yes, which are H1, H2, H3. We have them till H6. So the H1 is the biggest, followed by the H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So now these are the headings following each other based on size. So now let's save our work. Control save, Control S, that's the shortcut, or you go to file and save. So now let's look for our folder, our tutorial folder. Saved it in desktop tutorials. So now let's save it here. So let's save it. You choose a name, you can choose any name and save it with. So let's go with index.html. So now, mind you, HTML is the extension. We are writing a HTML code, so .html is the extension, so that the browser will know that this is a HTML file and will execute it as an HTML file. So while I'm choosing to save it in index, you can save it as anything of your choice, as any name of your choice. While me, I'm choosing index is primarily because it is the default file name that web servers automatically look for and display as the home page or entry point for any website. That is it. If you save it as index, you open your browser, you visit that folder. The browser will first look for index and display it as the home page before any other page. So now from the index, you can be redirecting, you can connect all the pages together. So we'll save this as index. So let's look for the file. This is it, index. And we can open with, let's open it with Firefox. You can open it with any browser. Good. These are the headings. You see, the first one here is the H1, followed by the H2, followed by the H3 heading, which means followed by the H4. The the H1 is the biggest, H2 following by. That's how it is arranged. So now let's go to our next topic, HTML paragraphs. If you have any question, you can comment it under the video, or you can reach out to us on through our website www.haditech.com.ng. You can reach out to me there. My WhatsApp line is there. So let's go to the next topic, which is HTML paragraph. So HTML paragraph HTML paragraph are used to display normal text on a web page. You understand? We use the p tag for paragraphs. Browsers automatically add space before and after paragraph. It's just simple. We use the p tag, normal paragraph, anything between the opening p and the closing tag of p is what the browser will execute as the paragraph. Understand? This is my let's write something in HTML. I am learning web design, HadiTech web to web tutorials. Okay, now this sentence now is between the opening tag of paragraph and the closing tag of paragraph. Now it will it will it it will be it will automatically add space before and after paragraphs. So remember, any work you add, remember to save. Any code you write, remember to save, which is control save. Check this. Once you see this, use if you are using visual code, VS code. So once you see this notification one, that means your work is not saved. But if you click on control save, it will disappear and you will know that, yeah, all your work are saved. So let's check. This is it. This is what we just did. Okay, so let's move to the next, which is to the next topic, which is HTML. So HTML links allow users to move from one page to another. We use the anchor tag, which is A. The anchor tag, which is A. The href attribute means hyperlink reference. You understand? Let's write a code. For example, this is the anchor tag, which is A. The browser understands this, and the href equal to this. So now your link, anywhere you want to send it to, you want to send the link to, you put it here. For example, let's say www.google.com, then close it like this. Then what you want the users to see, you put it, let's say Google, let's say go to Google, yeah, go to Google, and then let's close the tag. Remember, we'll open the A tag, anchor tag, then now we've closed it and save it. It's now saved. So let's check our work. This is it. So once you click on it, okay, sorry, let's correct the link. Okay, https www Now this is supposed to redirect, you refresh your page and it's supposed to redirect to google.com. Okay, so let's put HTTP, let's try haditech.com.ng. Then here we'll say go to HadiTech website. We save, then we refresh the page and it has changed. Now you see your link, go to HadiTech website. When you click on it, it will open the HadiTech website. And let's go back to our work now. So this is how we start building a real website using HTML. In this video, we learned what is HTML, HTML headings, HTML paragraph, and HTML links. In the next video, we will learn HTML images and lists. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.